Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. I am really excited about this deck. We are looking at the Star Wars Affirmation cards, 52 ways to discover your inner Jedi. So I found this on a whim. I was at Barnes & Noble and I saw this in the board game section and I was like, wait a minute, affirmation cards, Star Wars, oh my gosh. This is published by Insight, and of course I will link in the description box below where you can purchase this legitimately. And it retails for $19.99 in the US and $26.99 in Canada. Written by Marc Sumerak. Hopefully I said that right. So it says, the heroes of Star Wars share lessons, advice, and inspiration in this collection of motivational cards and companion book. Each card will spark meaningful conversations, prompt positive thoughts, help build self-esteem, and encourage kids to be kind to themselves and others. All right, so I've already cut the little sticker off so you don't see me struggle, and it is a flip top like that. They look like they're going to be big cards. Ooh. Okay, just want to make sure I had all of them. All right, so before we get into the cards, let's take a look at the book here. If there's anything pertinent that we need to know. Self-confidence is one of the keys to unlocking the full potential within us, especially for young Padawans. Oh my gosh, how cute. A wonderful way to help lead them down that path. Positive affirmations are fortifying statements written in the spirit of some of the galaxy's most legendary heroes, designed to be read to a child. Inspirational quotes are famous words of wisdom as spoken by favorite characters, and feel-good activities are fun projects and pastimes that a parent and child can do together to boost happiness levels into hyperdrive. And confidence-building conversation starters are prompts designed to inspire discussion, deep thinking, and bonding between participants. As any Jedi knows, having a positive role model to guide you on your journey makes an enormous difference, and the heroes of Star Wars possess so many of the important qualities that the next generation of rebels can aspire to. With these legendary characters as inspiration, younglings can use this deck to discover their own strengths and interests and focus them in positive directions. Oh my goodness. Okay, so how to use the cards. They can be read by a parent or older sibling. Draw them in a turn, read them aloud. Choose a positive affirmation when you're feeling down or doubtful. Engage in a feel-good activity or confidence-building conversation during introspective moments. Okay, so then this book helps you with each of those. Okay, cool. I had no idea that this was going to be toward younger, we'll call them young kids. But I don't care. I'm excited. Here's the back. Oh, okay. So they're each in different groups. That's why they're... Okay. I get it now, Natasha. Okay. So let's get into it. The cardstock is actually quite nice. It's not as thin as I thought it was going to be. Quality is actually decent. It's a matte finish. So these are going to be the affirmations. How fun. I really like that there's a picture here. I was thinking that they were just going to be words on the cards, so that's fun. There's a number on the bottom, so I wonder if that's... Oh, that's the page number. I can see it's a book. Cute. Oh my gosh. So far, I really like it. And it doesn't seem dumbed down for at the moment. It doesn't seem like it's too like patronizing. Oh, I really like this one. You know, I love BB-8. Some people don't really care for BB-8, but I really do. I think he was fun, or I mean, BB-8 was fun. He's just, he's on my list. I love him. Handsome man. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. So what were these? Activities. Okay. I love that. That's cute. So yeah, it doesn't seem to like patronize the kids at all. Even though this is geared toward kids, I don't feel like adults couldn't use them. Eat something new. Yeah, I don't see an issue with these at all. For all ages, I feel. I think they're fun. If you vibe with the Star Wars stories and the movies, I think this would be a fun collection edition. I love that they added the pictures. I love that you go right to the page number in the book. That is awesome. You don't have to look it up in a table of contents. You don't have to like feverishly look through the book to find it, especially when you are reading this to kids. They can be impatient and they want the answer right then and there. So it's always nice to be able to facilitate that quickly. Some of them don't have page numbers. I wonder if there's like more stuff in the book for that particular card. See, this one doesn't have a page number. Make a new friend. All right, and these are inspiration cards. Okay. Ugh. Gut-wrenching. Say what you will about the later installments of Star Wars, I still enjoyed them. And they still made me cry. Oh, I love that. Okay, I've always wanted her hairpiece here and headpiece. Like, loved it. I remember doing the makeup to that. I think, when did the prequels come out? 2000? Gosh. I feel so old. Oh, I love that. It's beautiful. Great advice. Humanizes. Oh, okay. Really like these. Okay, so these are the guidance cards. I'm enjoying this. I feel like they definitely are useful. Especially if your kids are into Star Wars. Like, they know them like the back of their hands. Like I remember we grew up on Star Wars. We would watch the trilogy, the original one, over and over. A lot of the times, you know, we were too young to really understand the overall themes of it. But this helps break it down. I love this. Great, great advice. Strength is more than just a physical attribute. I love that. Hey. Love this. All right, and the last one. So what we'll do now is we will shuffle and then pull a card. I'm just going to shuffle them all up and see what we get. And then look at the guidebook a little bit more in depth. So they are a bigger, longer card. So it might be a little bit harder for you to shuffle if that's your thing. With using these, shuffling this way, it might be a little bit difficult. But if we turn it this way, a little bit easier. I don't know. Let's see. Can I get a card, please? Ooh, it's a little hard for me, but that's okay. This is an activity, and it does have a page number. Okay, so think of someone you care about and make the effort to remind them that you are there for them. Take the time to write them a letter by hand and mail it to them. They will appreciate the unexpected gift. So we're going to go to 25. Okay. Finding a true connection with someone like the one Anakin and Padme share is something special and rare. But with all of life's changes and distractions, it can be easy to lose touch. Can you think of someone important to you who you haven't talked to in a while? How could you reach out and remind them that you are still there for them? How would that make you feel? Oh, I do want to take, okay, we're going to take this first affirmation card here. I am gifted. I have natural skills that set me apart from everyone around me. I will shine through for everyone to see. That one doesn't have a page number, but let's just take a look here. I can do it. When Luke Skywalker goes to Dagobah to continue his Jedi training, he is asked to perform seemingly impossible feats by his new master. Yoda offers Luke these words of wisdom: do or do not. There is no try. What do you think Yoda means by that? When a task seems hard, how can you change trying into doing? Okay, I am a fan. I really like this. It doesn't patronize. It doesn't talk down. It gives you advice and solutions and ways to work through your problems or questions. I'm excited to start using these. I don't think that they're just for kids. I think there's ways for everyone of all ages to use this and feel connected to it. I really like it. I think it's fun. It's a great price point. I wasn't expecting to see all of the other types of cards in here. I was just expecting affirmation cards. So that's fun. The only other thing is the shuffling, and it's probably not meant to be shuffled by the way that it is set up. So that's not a big ding for me. So, you know, I think it's just like, let's pull a card or, you know, spread them out this way in their group. So again, however you want to use this, it's up to you, but I would love to know your thoughts and opinions about these. I think they're fun. I'm definitely excited to start using it. I think the affirmations would be great for like a daily pull or if you're journaling. Just fun, especially if you are, you know, into Star Wars, you would probably really connect with this. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss a video from me. And as always, don't forget to check the description box where I will link these, the links where you can purchase these legitimately, as well as my link tree where you can find all of my social medias, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, thank you so much again, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.